water. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be playing with items you might have seen that I used previously in another video. That was more like November-y, kind of fall-y. This is going to be a lot more wintry, Christmassy, and I'm going to see how this goes. I'm going to change it up. For some reason, like, thank you past me, I put it back in the box that it came in. This is the Colourpop Jolly Vibes Holiday Kit. It comes with 2 items. The first one is the eyeshadow palette in Jingle On. The second item over here hiding is the BFF Cream Gel Liner in Joyride. It says it on the back, like I'm an expert. But I thought this was super cute. I love the colors. I'm still very much into browns, but we got some sparkles and that creme, like legit it says Cranberry Punch is the name of one of the colors, and it is for me. We'll see if I can make it work with this shirt, because this shirt isn't going anywhere. If you know me, I have a small obsession with a certain somebody. So anywho, without further ado, I put most of my face on. This is kind of just like from my day. Sheer luck I didn't put on any kind of mascara. Ooh, here it is. Easy to close, hard and scary to open, but flops around. Anyway, let me get my handy dandy little mirror, because this doesn't have a mirror, and we're just gonna come in and do some shadow. I want to do, ooh, I don't know. Like, do I ever know though in any of my eyeshadow videos? No. No. I'm going to pull some brushes and we're going to go for the best. I know for sure I want to use both of these shimmers. Like, my fingers are itching to dig in and do this. I kind of want to use Gift Time because it's more of a red color. Gift Time and Be Extra are reddish. Red. Anyway, my hair is kind of out of the way. I have these cute little ears on, but they don't, antlers, unless animals hear with their antlers, in which case eartlers. Anyway, I have these cute little headband on to hold back my hair, and it's not, but my hair is like being good today, so we're okay. The first one actually maybe I want to do Very Merry. Yep, we're doing it. Very Merry. And I don't know if you know this. I don't know if you've seen my Colourpop playlist or any other of my Colourpop videos. Colourpop is super pigmented. So when you come in, start slow, do a little bitty bit, and then you build up. Otherwise, you're just going to get an enormous amount of color payoff from the get-go. Which is like good unless you're not prepared for it, and then that's bad. Anyway, let's go through this. While I'm delicate because I'm scared. While I'm doing my eyeshadow, did you guys end up picking up any of the Colourpop holiday sets? I know they had a few of these, like with the shadow and the liner, but they also had, I think, the Super Shocks and maybe like some other liners. I don't know. Still cute though. I'm going to try and pull this up a bit because it's the holidays and I want to kind of va-va-voom up in here. Hello. There we go. Me. And then I'm going to buff it. And then I'll do the same to the other side. We're okay. Other side, other side. every time I do this, this side always comes out better. I feel like it's because I do whatever on this side and I always start over here, and then I come to the other side and I'm like, this is what I don't need to do. Where's my little, oh, there. Wipe my brush. And on it, oh, actually, let me blend down here because on the outer eye, I want this to be dark. Hold on. Better? Better. Okay. So, I do things a little bit different than what I've seen other people do. I come in with my lightest shimmers and go to my darker ones. Not always, but right now I am. So I wanted to let you know. Because I'm using my fingers. I want incredible color payoff with Party Hour. That looks insane already. I can see it in my viewfinder and dang. Whew. Oh, I went too far. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come in and re-dip in here. Whew. That's gorgeous. I forgot to like spread this one. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this down for a second because I come in with like a tissue. Wipe this off or I will get it everywhere. Me, objects, clothes, other people. So then we'll come in. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I did get it down a little bit too far, so I'll just come in and wipe. Gently wipe up on that. That is so pretty. And then I'm gonna come in. I'm not gonna go crazy. I really want to, but I'm not gonna go crazy with Cranberry Punch. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna kind of do center and then blend both ways. Yep. Hello. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow. Yeah, this is gorgeous. How do I not? This is so pretty. And I'm going to come in more. Tap, tap. This looks really pretty. I'm just going to come in with like a smidge more. Just like to tap it in, you know? A little bit. A little bit more. Just to tap it on. I may have went a little crazy, but this is really pretty. Oh, so much. I'm going to come back to this one. Party Hour. Just to help even it out. And normally I keep my eyes closed when I do this so I don't get it in there. Sometimes I'll pop them open. It's not the smartest thing I've done. But this is lovely. Oh my gosh. I have to put some on my bottom lash. I can't just leave it alone. Come here, my little Cranberry Punch. Is that a pet name? Is it cute? Can I use it? Trying not to go too far. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so to kind of help this, I'm going to come in with a little bit of Very Merry. Just on the bottom right here. To help kind of whoosh it up, you know. like I was saying, whoosh it up. I mean, I do want the whole bottom covered in shimmer, but I don't want the whole bottom covered in shimmer. Does that make sense? No? That scares me how hard these close. You have to, I put my finger in there as like a sacrifice so it won't close as hard. And it still kind of does. So I'm done. Not with my whole look. Because we still have, come back here. I still have the BFF Cream Gel Liner from Colourpop in the shade Joyride. And it's matte. Oh, were you matte before? Beautiful. What do I want to do with it? I kind of want to do like a wing. But I don't. But like I do. This is very nice. I love this. I like this. This is pretty. Let me pop on some mascara real quick. I'm not gonna stop here because I'm gonna come in with some dang it. Alright. I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna come in with some blush from my Kylie Times the Grinch collection. Max the Reindeer. I love this. How do we, yeah. Just over my all day blush that's been chilling here anyway. Love it. Okay. And I know what you're thinking. Are we done? No, because I have another item from my Kylie Times the Grinch collection. This is the littlest of who's. It's a highlight, so we're not going bananas. Let me get my tiny little highlight brush. Come in here and delicately sweep on up. Oh. Like you don't see it and then you turn just right. Well, I turn just right and oh my gosh. Underneath that brow bone. Underneath that brow. Yes. And again, right over here. This is insane. How well can you see that? Can you see it pretty okay? Yeah. Gorgeous. And yeah, I love this color so much. I do the Cupid's bow. And then a smidge on the nose. And then, I know you didn't think that I was going to forget about my lips. Unfortunately, Colourpop did not include a lippy in their kit. So, to go with my little theme I have going on with extra products, my Kylie Times The Grinch collection also has a lipstick. This is Mean One. I've used it a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. Love this. This is beautiful. Are you a matte? Do you it would help if I close it. Yeah, it's a matte. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I am ready for Christmas morning. How are you doing? I probably won't look like this Christmas. Well, we do Christmas evening. So I might look like this. This is so nice. I like this. I don't know if it's the lighting or the highlight. Or the red lip. I really don't wear a whole lot of red lips. I'm so much a mauve girl, but it's so wonderful. I love it. This one in particular is beautiful. This eye look is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love this. Can you tell? I think it's really I love all the shimmers that I use. I think they're so pretty. I do. Let me hold her up. Let me hold her up like a fish. I love it. It's such a good little, I don't want to call it a palette because it like doesn't seem like a palette, because you know how e.l.f. has the same thing but they call it like a bite-sized palette? That is like, why don't we have a tiny little, it's just eyeshadow palette. That's it. I guess if that's what you want to call it. I'll try to call it an eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's great. It's wonderful. Let me know in the comments down below if you ended up picking anything up from the Colourpop holiday collection. I know most or all of it was launched at Target too, so I picked up this little cutie set. So kind of easy to get your hands on depending. I think this is gorgeous. I don't know how many more times I'm going to say this. The shimmers shim so well. The matte blended out really well, and the color pigment is insane, and the gel liner works so good with all the colors. It's like the perfect match for the cranberry shade, which is like maybe my favorite. I don't know. I'm gonna go now because there's not much else I can say other than lovely, wonderful, gorgeous, amazing, fantastic. I'm just gonna go take pictures of myself and let this be. Thanks for hanging out. If you like what you saw, go check out my playlist of all my other Colourpop videos. They're pretty good and there's a lot. Bye!